Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Gumroad affiliate program for creator payouts, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with the Gumroad affiliate program, start by visiting the Gumroad website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create a new account. Fill in the required fields to set up your profile. Choose a username that represents you or your brand. Once logged in, navigate to the affiliate section in the main dashboard. Click on Join the Affiliate Program to begin the registration process. Read through the guidelines and terms of the affiliate program carefully. After reviewing, confirm your agreement to the terms. You will then be prompted to provide some additional information about yourself or your business. Enter your payment details to ensure you can receive commissions from sales. Select the payment method that works best for you. Complete any verification steps that Gumroad may require. Once everything is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize your registration. After your account is activated, log back into your Gumroad account. You can now access your affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find the unique links for products you wish to promote. Start sharing your affiliate links on your social media or website. Monitor your sales and commissions through the dashboard. Consult Gumroad's resources for tips on successful promotion. Stay updated on any changes to the affiliate program terms. With these steps completed, you are ready to start earning from the Gumroad affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.